Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I'm actually super tired and I wanted to remove all my makeup and do my skincare routine. So I thought let me do a nighttime skincare routine for you guys because a lot of you have been asking me what do you use for your skin. Because I had acne a year ago, and so a lot of you asked me like what did you do, how to get rid of it. I did a video on how to get rid of acne, how I kind of get rid of acne, but my skin lately is looking super good, and the only thing I could think of, the only thing that I changed is what I eat, because I was a sugar addict. Anyways, I can't wait to remove this makeup because I'm tired today. I had a busy day. So the first thing that I do obviously is take off these lashes. And my eyes are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, especially if I take out my contacts. I have prescriptions, so these are just transparent. I can't see anything, but my eyes look so small and I'm really starting to get really tired. So, okay, I use cotton pads. I use Garnier micellar water. Doesn't really matter what kind of micellar water I use. I also have one from Youngblood, which I really like. But I use, this micellar water that I got in Germany. Micellenreinigungswasser. So I take most of the makeup off with this cotton pad and micellar water. Okay, so first I do the skin. Okay. Usually I make sure the micellar water goes into, kind of like into the lashes, because when you're using a face wash, I don't want to like rub the mascara off, you know what I mean? Because that's not really good for your lashes. I'm so sleepy. I don't know who invented micellar water, but honestly, like, we need to take a moment for him or her. So we removed most of the makeup, but obviously my skin is not clean yet. So I'm using a face wash. This one is from Origins. This is Checks and Balances. This is kind of like a mousse face wash, which is a really lovely one. I use a lot. This is my face wash. This one is so good and soft. By the way, I have dry skin, especially my forehead is like super dry, and I can get a little oily around my nose, chin, and forehead, like the T-zone. This smells like toothpaste, but in a good way. Now I'm going to use a little bit more water on my skin to make sure that it really gets foamy and clean, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'll be right back because, maybe we'll do a mask. I haven't done a mask for a long time. So I rinsed everything off and my skin looks irritated right now, but it will calm down in a second. So the face wash is actually super nice, but it feels always, with every face wash, it feels a little too matte and too dry. So I'm going to use this hydrating sheet mask from Starskin. Starskin is one of my favorite brands when it comes to sheet masks. The blue one is one of my fave because it's super hydrating. So if you have dehydrated skin, I feel like everyone has kind of like dehydrated skin. So your skin doesn't have to be dry to use this, because oily skin can be dehydrated too. Okay, so here we go. Oh my god, so cold. Now I'm just going to remove this protective layer as well, like that. So whatever is left on my hand, I'm just putting it into my neck because, why not? So we need to kind of like leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and maybe you'll see the result immediately, but oh my god. But it feels super hydrated. It's really good. I love it. So while the mask is on, I usually eat something, but since I'm doing kind of like low carb, I can only eat some cheese and some nuts. But I actually listen to music, check out my Instagram, check out YouTube comments. And this is actually really nice. Maybe you guys are interested, maybe not. But anyways, since I'm from the Netherlands, I usually don't like to, I don't know, I don't listen to Dutch music all the time. But there's this new rapper. He's not new, but I just discovered him. And his name is Snelle. And I am so addicted. So if you guys want to hear a little bit of Dutch rap music, then you need to listen because it's so good. Even if you don't understand it, it's like super good. And it's on repeat like 24/7. Like my husband gets sick of me, but it's on repeat 24/7. Meer voelen, meer dienen, meer voeden, meer liefde, maar wow. Eén stap terug is een no-go zo. Dus kopen maar geloof altijd de jouwe bij de mijne past. Heb jij een lach op jou gezicht, dan komt de mijne pas. Mijn mooie meid, zie ik denk dat ik verliefd ben. So the mask is on for about 15 minutes, I think. And I don't know what this is, but this feels so good. It's kind of like a massage. I'm going to get rid of this mask. So like that. And I'm going to massage the serum into my skin. Actually, I forgot to use something that I've been using for a couple of weeks now, but I should have used this after the face wash. It's the Ole Henriksen toner, dark spot toner, because Jimmy Genevieve talked about this and her skin looked amazing. And she said that this one changed her skin so much. So I've been using this for a while now, but yeah, I forgot this today. So now I'm going to use the serum from Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Serum, and this is what I use in the at night. And the Lancome, it's not here, Lancome Visionaire, I use that in the morning. So what I do is I take a little bit of the serum in the palm of my hand. It's almost empty. And I also add a few drops of this tan organic oil. I really love this oil. It's a facial tan oil. It's very subtle and you wake up with this beautiful, nice glow with a tiny bit of a tan. So I'm mixing that together. And I'm just going to use that on my skin. The facial tan is actually so subtle that you don't have to wash your hands, but I always do that just in case. And this absorbs into the skin like really fast, which is good. Since I have really dry skin, if I wake up in the morning and if I haven't applied a moisturizer at night, and if I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so itchy and dry, especially my forehead. So I like to use a very thick, buttery cream. I'm not even sure if this is available internationally. It's a very organic brand. I love their skincare and it's really nice for people with sensitive skin. So I like to go a little heavy with this cream on my forehead. Taking my eye cream from Youngblood. This is the Quick Recovery Eye Cream. And then on my lips, I use this Dr. Lip nipple cream. I always feel like weird saying this nipple cream, but originally it was a nipple cream. So you can still see a little bit of makeup left on my eyes. You see that on my waterline and right there. But I like to take a Q-tip, a tiny bit of micellar water, and then I like to clean that up. And that is pretty much what I do for my nighttime routine. I have super sensitive skin, so if I'm touching my skin or if I use products, you will see some bumps, you will see redness. And for some reason, if I wait for several hours and everything starts to calm down, my skin looks really good. So that's a huge difference. So sometimes people say, oh my God, you're covered in acne. And then the minute after, oh my God, your skin looks amazing. But it's just that I have sensitive skin. So this is pretty much what I do before I go to sleep. What else do I do? Sometimes I use a little bit of oil in the ends of my hair. But yeah, this is it. This is my nighttime skin routine. Let me know what your holy grail nighttime product is, because I've been really loving skincare lately. I feel like skincare and beauty goes hand in hand, but now I feel like I do believe in that more than ever. That's it. I hope you guys like this video. I wanted to say tutorial, but it's not a video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!